hard to get it down. Trying to give you some burps. See what happens. Ain't gonna go down that fast.
I know who you think you are. Sorry, I'll tell you on, but I'm keeping you on. I'm the whiskey and cigarettes.
Chug it.
To make me forget.
Chug that.
Who was raised above.
Trying to get the burps to come out. They ain't working too well yet. They got enough air in there or something. It'll come around now. Sure it will.
By the time the chicken's done, huh?
Yeah. Here's some belching or maybe some foam might come back too if you're lucky.
Where are you going? You good?
Yeah. Didn't want to go down. Got stuck in the wrong hole. Oh shit.
Let me give him the trash can.
Wrong hole. I'm sure you've been there and done that one. That was the wrong hole. That wasn't no cue. That was premature.
Premature, alright.
Not immature, premature. There's a little one coming there. Hey, where's this little guy come from?
What you gotta be so big for? Oh, buddy, I drink with you. I got my signature move.
Yeah. Landed in the chicken. She's gonna beat me.
My chicken's not getting cooked over here. Chris. Bigger Miller, hotter cut.
Ice cold Bud Light.
Your turn.
Ain't got one yet.
Alrighty, I'm about done.
About done? You about got it done?
Negative.
Negative.
Mine's your water.
Yeah, you crying for? You ain't on no motorcycle. Drink that shit.
It's not good. What? 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 We got my director over here in the background. Say hi. Come on, put your big pinhead in there. Sit on my lap. Sit on my lap like Santa Claus does. He's not gonna be in there. There's all that voice on you guys keep hearing. Wonder?
Alien and
Farm on Octane. They were a fantastic band. If I remember correctly, they had a bad tour bus accident in Spain and never quite bounced back again. And I would love to see them again. Alien Ant Farm. Anyway, I'm Lou Brutus. Reach out to all the Octane Facebook page or direct Facebook.com/Lou Brutus Rocks. Or if you're on Twitter, if you follow me, I'll follow you, and I'll never unfollow you. Unless you do something really nasty to me. And why would you do that?
That's lonely.
You know, it's always the people that you're the nicest to who sometimes in life come around and you're like, what are they doing? Well, anyway, that has nothing to do with anything.
My bottle's way over there.
Interested in Twitter.com/Lou Brutus. Ride Insane at 7 Dust. I just don't understand people sometimes, you know?
You have my baby. I feel better now.
Starting to be homesick, wasn't it? Morgan's sick. Captain's sick. Yeah, take a big old sip of that.
I'm probably in the toilet.
Well, I'll record you.
Whoa, Nelly.
That's where it's trying to come from. More room now.
I got some foam in there. I'm done, brother.
Please do it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. A little foamy. Here.
Last time I said uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. What happened?
SpaghettiOs came back.
I broke sweat on that one.
That made me sweat.
We go ahead and crack this one now. See that happen.
That's so delicious. That Morgan be on the next video. That's alright. Whatever you say.
Going back cooking some chicken. Pick it up. Ding ding.
Ding ding.
Well, I helped you. You almost done. You only got about 2 drinks left.
Yeah, I got about 4 drinks left.
6 to 8.
We get this belt to come out of here.
There we go.
Where's the cheerleaders going?
Good music there, man. Did I have that powder on my shirt when I was sitting beside you?
I'm not sure.
Well, if it does, people, it's because I'm over here playing Miss Betty Crocker. I'll show you in a minute.
No!
Serious access.
Octane.
Yeah, keep that shit rocking. Hell yeah.
Play Mr. DJ, can I?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Ben Harper, the Spectrum play.
How about some Pearl Jam? Still don't like it? Oh, that's not good. That's Looney's music, sorry. A little bit of War by the Low Rider. How much you got left, big buddy?
Got me a couple of...
Oh, you're alright.
I got me a couple of squizzles left there. Try to get me this big old belch up out of here and get most of this down, and well, I only have one more to do. Waiting on this belch. It's about right here. It's on its way up. I feel it.
Bring it on, baby. Bring it on. I'm gonna put you some chicken in the deep fryer there, Robert.
Chicken in the fry. Chicken in the fry.
Soaking in a little bit of hot sauce for you.
Hot chicken.
Potatoes in the oven, come on. I wish the camera had smell. You guys probably want to move in.
Y'all know the Cheech and Chong song in the background. Come on now.
Oh man, you want me to turn it? I'm over here. Captain Mike playing Mr. DJ. I'll be playing Mr. Bitch the way this song sounding.
A little trip.
Take a little trip. Now we're singing it. You know it's good now.
Take a little trip. Take a little trip. Take a little trip with me.
So what do you think about that BJ Penn fight? I mean, bring it out. It's a BJ Penn. He didn't even fight. Uh-oh. Is that a pew coming?
The wet belch of... Ooh-wee.
I know you like Rod Stewart, but I'm turning it.
Yeah, St. Pierre.
Yeah, what do you think about that St. Pierre last night?
St. Pierre was pretty good. I mean, his eyeball looked like it was going to pop out of his head, I'll tell you that.
Little Pearl Jam, for y'all that don't know. I think they was in concert on this one, Washington, D.C. I think it was back in 08 or something like that.
Hell yeah.
Nice little slow rock and roll while the chicken strips are being marinated in red hot sauce, butter, some honey,
Barbecue sauce.
and some barbecue sauce. And now you know why we're so fat in Ohio. Cause we eat the good shit, the good shit. Boneless.
Boneless.
Fresh out the deep fryer.
No double bone chicken here, baby.
Put in a little hot sauce and
That beer makes me feel like I'm bloated. Does it look like I'm bloated, people?
No, not really. Well, just a little bit, but not much. Not bad.
But it's supposed to be Bud Light. I think it's Bud Heavy.
I wasn't going to say that, but I'm glad you did. Of course, I'm not walking around at 285 myself. Back to the Captain Morgan drinks. You want me to go and get the pencil and let you get it over with?
Yep.
Shoot yourself right in the head.
It hurts.
You only got a little swigger left.
Yeah, I know that little swigger's a mean little nigger, I'll tell you that.
We don't allow profanity in my kitchen, okay?
No profanity, okay.
We know you're not racist, but no profanity. I don't like that bullshit.
Just slipped out.
I got flour on my nipples.
Too much information. Make another rum and coke there.
Captain Morgan. Just for those that don't know.
Captain M.
Cheers, my man.
Cheers.
Yeah, that is awful dark.
Check that one out.
That's good for nizzle bizzle right there, buddy. Bizzle whizzle chisel whizzle bizzle.
You rizzle.
17 minutes.
17 minutes. We're going to wrap this one
We'll
up.
have to make another one on my cooking.
Wrap this
Time to wrap her up. Another belch.
No belching. I got it being not good.
You know, you got a little bit of foam left, right? You got a little bit of a sipper in
A
there.
little bit left, huh?
Not much. Inch and a half.
Yeah, I think
Well, you got about 2 minutes. We keep it under 20 minutes. We play my buddy's Hey, Sheriff, fat man! Got one! It's my boy! Uh-oh!
Oh, God.
You kill it?
Killed it.
Who is that guy? Who is that guy? Huh? I can't see it. I love the nipple rub. You good? You done?
Yep. I got her in. Look, it may have been a little quicker than the last one, but I ain't sure. Now it's time for one of these.
No pot?
Not right now. Pot later.
Alright.
All right. Peace out.
Till next time.
Peace out, bitches.